A turntable, a belt drive turntable, one of the current ones, or a direct drive, the auto mechanism is only in operation when you tell it to. When you don't tell it to, it is just exactly the same as a non-auto one. In fact, if you take apart an automatic deck or a semi-automatic deck, you will find that there are lugs and things which are in use. And if you take apart a non-automatic deck, you'll find they've got the same bearings, same turntables, same gimbals, and all the rest of it. They just haven't got the linkages for the auto. Because what normally happens nowadays is they have a cog, and they just push a cog like a normal gearbox. They just push the cog into the cog, and everything starts winding, and the arm moves. Boom, boom, boom. That's great. You don't have that problem if you don't have an auto. But on the other hand, if it's not engaged, it's not causing a problem anyway. So, in my opinion, an auto or a semi-auto is not of the current type, is not the problem compared to a manual.